Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a vlog for you guys. If you aren't following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Make sure you follow me on there. My Instagram is nadifa.karin, and the reason why I'm mentioning that is because I'm super active on there and I'm always uploading on my Snap story, or the Instagram story I should say, and I'm keeping you guys updated on just my life and things that are going on. And basically I got a vlogging camera. So my birthday is coming up. It's on Monday, June 21st. And so my parents got me a vlogging camera for my birthday, so I'll be definitely vlogging a lot more. I was quite restricted in the past. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but my camera that I use for my studio professional videos when I do makeup tutorials, it's a very bulky camera. It's the Canon EOS 70D, and it's just not really practical for vlogging. So when I do vlog, occasionally it's usually using the my cell phone. And sometimes I did use the camera in the past, the one that I use for my studio, and it's difficult. Like, it's just so heavy, it's really hard. Like, it's a workout for my arms. So let me tell you guys what camera I got for my birthday. I have the box right here, just struggling to hold it up. So this is what it looks like. I got the Canon EOS M6 Mark II. So I'm super excited. Like, I'm so excited to be vlogging and using this camera and just being able to create more informal videos for you guys and show a little bit more of my personality in these types of videos. So I have a lot planned for this video. I'm pretty much going to just walk you through my day. There are some specific things that I plan to share. So recently I posted a Shein haul, and you guys have loved that video. That video is doing really well, and I'm getting a lot of comments, and someone actually asked me to do a hijab tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how I style my hijab and how I kind of styled it in that specific video. It's pretty much my like usual style, but I do like a knot at the end, so I'll show you guys that. I also want to share my current favorite like at home coffee drink that I've been loving. I love the Starbucks Oat Latte, you guys, the iced Oat Latte. That's like my signature drink. I've been drinking that non-stop. That's my go-to. But working from home and just like in terms of finances, it's obviously not ideal and practical to go to Starbucks every single day. And after getting an espresso, the whole point of getting that was to save money on buying coffee from Starbucks, Tim Hortons, all that stuff. So I did kind of figure out like a signature iced oat latte that I've been loving at home, so I want to share that with you guys. And then I have some other stuff here and there that I'm going to share, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And before we continue with the vlog, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to get that not hijab style for yourself from the haul that I recently posted. The top that I'm wearing is actually from the haul as well. I just have the collar kind of just folded up just so I can cover my neck as I show you guys this tutorial. So you can use any hijab of your choice. So today I'm using this Oat hijab that I have. This is, I believe they're bamboo woven hijabs. I'm obsessed. I do have a haul of these hijabs on my channel. If you guys want to check that out, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description. So pretty much what you want to do is you've got your hijab here and you want to fold it in just about that much, and you want to grab like one end of the hijab and flip it over. I am struggling here. I'm also using the viewfinder, so just bear with me. So you're pretty much going to have the entire hijab on one side and just about that much of the hijab on the other side. And what you want to do is grab a small safety pin and just pin the top in place onto the hijab cap. And this is just going to secure the hijab in place. So next what you want to do is grab the entire hijab that's on the other side and wrap it around, still keeping that fold that we made. You want to keep that fold always, and just wrap it around and bring it to the top, right on top. I'm gonna take my ring off actually, because I don't want my ring to tug at the fabric. That always sucks when that happens. I'm going to just fix the collar on the inside now that I don't have to hide my neck. So what I'm going to do now is deal with this fabric here. So I'm just going to fold it in on that side, and then on this side I'm going to pull the fabric up just like that, just to pull this part up so it's not like hanging, because I don't want my neck to show. And just leave a little bit of room. You don't want it to be too tight. I honestly can't deal with it being too tight. And then you want to grab like a big safety pin like this and just pin this part in place just like that. So it should look like that. And then you've got this part all covered. So the reason why I like to use a big safety pin is because I used to use smaller ones in the past, and they used to like get tangled into my hijab and they would just ruin my hijabs. So using a big one ensures that it doesn't ruin my hijabs. So that is why I use a ridiculously big one. So next I want to secure the hijab in place on two sides, and to do so I'll go in with straight pins, grab the hijab cap from the inside, and just pin the hijab cap and the hijab together. So this is what my usual hijab style looks like. As you guys can see, this is typically how I like to wear it. So when it comes to the knot style, it's the same thing. The only difference is I will take the fabric at the end here and I will just tie it. So that is pretty much it, you guys. This is how I create my knot hijab style, especially the one that you guys saw in the haul that I just did recently. So hopefully that helps with the questions that I got regarding the hijab style in that video. So now I'm going to take you guys downstairs and show you guys how I like to make my iced oat latte. So here is my at-home coffee station, you guys, my pride and joy in the kitchen. So I pretty much have my Nespresso here. This is the Verturo Next, I believe is what it's called. And then I have a bunch of different pods here that I'll show you guys, and then I have some syrups. So I have the Torani sugar-free, which I love. I love using this for my matcha lattes. I have this skinny syrup that I don't really love, if I'm honest with you. This is the pumpkin caramel. Do not recommend it. And then I have the Torani brown sugar cinnamon, which is actually really good. So I do recommend that. I should probably get rid of that one. But anyways, so I'm going to show you guys how I like to make my go-to iced oat latte. This is like my version of the Starbucks one. So I love using the Silk Oat oat milk. This is the original. I believe they have vanilla flavor, and I think they also have sugar-free, but I honestly don't mind the original. Do keep in mind though that oat milk does have a good amount of calories. 1 cup is 80 calories. If it will focus. Yeah, so it is quite a bit, but it's okay, I don't mind it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make it. So I have a bunch of ice here, and I'm just gonna grab a pod from my little collection here, as you guys can see. Let me see if I can find a double espresso. Okay, so this is Bianco Forte. I am obsessed with Bianco Forte. This is what the pod looks like. This is one of my favorites. I love having this warm, and I love having this during the fall, during the winter. But for the summer, I think this one might be it. Yeah, there you go. So this is a double espresso pod. It's called Scuro, but it's double espresso, and this is what I like to use for my lattes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, place the pod in. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Ooh. Press that down and lock it in place. Nope, I'm struggling. I locked her in place there. And then I'm just going to press the button. The reason why I add so much ice is because obviously the espresso is brewing, it's hot. So this just kind of cools it down and ensures that there's still a lot of ice in there, because a lot of the ice does melt once the espresso goes in. So basically what I'll do next is literally just top this off with some oat milk. And that's it. It's literally just espresso, oat milk, and ice. And I might just go back in with some more ice if I'm honest with you. I'm just gonna top it off with some more ice. And that is pretty much it. That's how I like to make my at-home iced oat latte. So I have my coffee here. Let's give it a taste. So good, you guys. Oh my god. And the Nespresso espresso is everything. Like, it literally hits different. It tastes so good. And I love the silk oat milk. It's really good. But again, if you guys have suggestions, let me know. I'm always down to try new things. I'm always experimenting and trying out how to make yummy drinks at home, especially since we're home and I want to save money, so definitely let me know. Alright, so while I enjoy my iced oat latte, I thought I would sit down and give you guys a quick life update. I haven't posted a video in almost 2 weeks. Actually, it's been a little over 2 weeks, and that's not like me. I always like to put out at least 1 video a week, if not 2. So pretty much a lot has happened over the past couple of weeks. Well, not a lot, but stuff has happened which kind of made it difficult for me to film. So one of the first things is that I got my wisdom teeth removed. So I got all 4 of my teeth removed, you guys, and so it was just not ideal for me to film in that state. So let me talk about my experience first, because it was such a pleasant experience and I really want to share it with you guys, and then I'll tell you about my healing and all that stuff. If you guys have gotten your wisdom teeth removed, let me know in the comments. What was your experience like? How was it? And also, how long does it take to heal? Because I'm going on week 3 now, and my cleaning routine is not as high maintenance as it was in the first 2 weeks, so that's good, but I still do have to go in and clean because it's not obviously fully healed yet. So I think on Google I saw 6 weeks, but like, does it, you know, heal sooner? So essentially I had to be put under sedation. So they basically knocked me out because my bottom wisdom teeth were a little bit more complicated. And oh, there's a bug. Oh my gosh, summer, right? There's always bugs in the house because it's getting warmer. So I had to be put under because the bottom 2 teeth were going to be a little bit more complicated, and so they didn't want me to like move and all that stuff. So I was just knocked out, and that was quick. So being knocked out makes the process so much faster. Like, I believe the procedure probably only took 20 minutes. Like, I asked them before they knocked me out, I was like, how long is this gonna take? And they're like, oh, like not even 20 minutes. I know I have some friends who have said that their experience not being put under took longer, like 2 hours almost. Then I was like, oh my gosh, like that's scary. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that I had such a pleasant experience. The nurses and the doctor, like, they were all so sweet and so kind, and they made me so comfortable. Like, I was so nervous because I've never had surgery and I've never been put under like that. So this was my very first time, and I didn't know what to expect, but they made the experience so lovely. So I just wanted to like mention that. Shout out to those amazing health professionals who helped me out and got me through that very scary day, because I was trying to act all cool and chill, but I was freaking out on the inside. I was so scared. So now we're just trying to heal, and eventually I'm hoping to get braces. Your girl wants to fix her teeth. So yeah, that is my explanation for where I've been over the past couple of weeks. And then so that was the first week of June, which is why I didn't film anything, because I was swollen, my face hurt, I would literally talk like this, and so I was just healing. You know, the focus for that week was just to heal, and my face is kind of, you know, it's not as swollen as it was, which is good. And then the second week of June, I got my COVID vaccine. So I got vaccinated, so I'm really happy about that. And so just dealing with that as well. So as you guys know, I do have a full-time job, so Monday to Friday I'm working, and I always film on the weekends. That's usually when I create bulk content for you guys. I just go crazy and film a bunch of stuff. So I got my COVID shot on Saturday, which is usually my filming day, and it was just not possible for me to film, especially the next day. So my reaction to the shot was very mild. Like, I just had a little bit of pain on my arm, and the one thing that really sucked that I struggled with was nausea. So I got really sick, and I just could not film, essentially. So that is where I've been. So your girl has no more wisdom teeth, and she is vaccinated, so I'm really happy about that. So just wanted to fill you guys in on where I've been. So now I'm hopefully going to get back on schedule and have weekly videos for you guys. Also, I just want to mention thank you guys so much for 6,000 subscribers. I am so happy, so grateful for you guys. I can't believe I didn't mention this in the beginning of the vlog, but that's okay. I'm mentioning it now. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. Check out my Instagram at Nadifa Karin. All of the rules are there on my most recent post that I have, and I also made a post on my community tab on YouTube, so definitely check that out. I'm giving away $100 gift card, a Sephora gift card, to one lucky winner, just to show my appreciation and gratitude for you guys and all the support and love that you constantly give me. So definitely enter that. Another thing I want to mention is if you're interested in knowing how to create this makeup look that I'm wearing currently, I did film this earlier today and the video will be up later this week. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you guys are notified when the video is uploaded. So like I mentioned, my birthday is this week, you guys. So I asked my mom to make me some Bengali sweets. For my Bengalis, she's going to be making chom chom and roshogolla. So I love those. Honestly, I love chom chom more, but I also love roshogolla, and they just look so cute together. So she's going to be making me both. So I think I'm going to show you guys some clips of her making that. I know she started the process last night, but that's okay. We'll just pick up from wherever she's at. You guys, she is so famous and popular for her sweets, especially these two sweets. Like literally everyone loves and is obsessed. So I'm super excited and I'm so grateful to have a mom who can make some bomb sweets. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get her and then we'll get started.
Came right to that block and I started feeling myself. And she thinks she got it good, but she been screaming from hell. And she think that she a witch, but she ain't casting a spell. I know it's hard as it tell. We come around right to the block and we start feeling ourselves. And shawty tricking me, and she know she feeling herself. I got my hands up on the way, you know I'm praying to God. I think that she can't really see that I don't do this for you. Gotta do it cause you know that's all that I got. I push a limit and you know I drive at the top. And she made me go around like it's the end of the world.
Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here just because I will be going out for dinner soon, so I need to just get my life sorted before I leave the house. So I'm gonna stop the vlog here, but I'll definitely show you guys the final product for the mishtis on Monday. So I will be filming a vlog on my birthday, so stay tuned for that. I'll definitely show you the mishti there. The mishti is now still cooking. It's gonna be about 30 minutes or so, but I need to get going, so I won't be able to show you guys today. But that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And make sure you guys check out my Instagram and join the giveaway. And my mom is here. She wants to say bye.
Guess what?
What?
No, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
I hope you will enjoy the video. Take
yeah,
care.
I hope you guys
Bye.
enjoy. Bye.
Bye-bye.
She's so cute. Bye, guys.